Now, normally in your car, put in your USB like so. Then you plug the end of this to our phone that we can get the Apple CarPlay, right? It'll say here, there's CarPlay, blah, blah, blah. And then you can use your phone. Now, it's not very convenient and you don't want to grab your phone sometimes inside your bag or maybe it's inside your pocket. Now I got to pull out my phone so that I can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So AutoCast created this little guy right here so that all you need to do is plug this in here and then you'll achieve a wireless Apple CarPlay. So what's happening YouTube today? We're looking at the AutoCast Play2Video Pro. Let's unbox this and show you how well it does. Here we go. This is what we get inside of this little guy right there. User manual. We also get a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C, and then USB-A to USB-C. Let's go and install this. I'm gonna take this guy off right here. Don't need that. Then we're gonna plug this in like so, and this is where it's plugged in. As you can see, it's powered on. There it is. It recognizes the Android device that is connected on there. So as you can see here, you have a few options. Right now we don't have our phone connected to it yet. Take our phone here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings and we can open up our Bluetooth. And as you can see there, there's the Play2Video Pro, and there it is, it's connected. Now this in turn should give us wireless CarPlay to our vehicle. And there it is, we're able to have CarPlay on our vehicle, and it does, you know, the full thing. We have all the apps that you could see here. We have the Charge Point, Spotify, YouTube Music, even Zoom there. Really good. Now to test out the Android Auto, we have the Z Fold right here. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth, Play2Video Pro right there. Connect it to that, hit pair. There you go. There it is. We have the Android Auto. Hit OK. So as all Android Auto, how it works, you'll see all your apps here. You can have multiple windows, of course. Add in your YouTube Music there as well. Have your Messenger even here, phone, and smart things. Pretty cool. You can have your games as well. Play games on here. Go back home, we just hit home there. And as you can see, there's a few options that we can use here. So the first one is Netflix. Now you do need to connect via Wi-Fi on here or your personal hotspot so that you can use Netflix. Let's try that right now. Go to settings, go to mobile networks here, internet right there, hit Wi-Fi network. Punch in our code here for our Wi-Fi, and there it is, it says connected. So when we go to our Netflix, there it is, we got our Netflix going here. There we go. Let's play some videos here. Let's see if it's any good. There it is, we're able to watch Netflix. Skip this up to there. Oh, pretty good. So while you're driving, you know what I mean? You can watch your shows on here, never miss a thing. Catch up on like Love is Blind and whatever. You can watch the Physical 100 on here. Everything that is on your Netflix, you'll be able to watch. It's pretty sweet. Now let's try out some YouTube. Let's watch some videos, maybe my videos here, so we don't get copyright infringement. So here we're able to watch videos. Let's watch one of our videos here from our channel. What's happening YouTube? Today we're going to justify why we bought this $3,500 Vision Pro. There's a few apps that I like about this. You can do a full screen as well right here, or you can have it so that you can browse the side. so you can hit the next videos. There's also YouTube Music, which you can use, or Spotify for most of you. Just gotta go and log in here. And there it is, we're able to browse our Spotify. Let's try some music here. And as you can see here, it replaces our music area right here. This now playing button on the Spotify right there. Now the other thing here is you can use IPTV. Now as you can see here, you have multiple channels that you can add on the IPTV. You can watch it on there if you wanted to. There you go. Very cool that it's able to add it here. All live TV as well. Pretty awesome. So the picture-in-picture there if you wanted to watch it. And if you want to exit, you just have to bring it to the X and it closes it. Now these are all the apps that you can get as well. You can answer phone calls right there. Listen to music via Bluetooth. You can look at your app folder there. Watch videos using that. If you have a USB stick connected to it, there's the app update as well. You can update over. And like I said, the Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and IPTV. Now with the IPTV, you can use multi-screen like so. Choose whatever format you want. And let's do the 4 sides right here. We're just gonna go with all, whatever we can find here. Let's put that up there. And then let's put another guy here. Maybe comedy. There you go. Able to watch all that on there. Let's go look for another one. Let's see here. Let's see some animations, whatever that is. There you go. And let's add another show. Let's go for news. Maybe you want to, oh, there you go. Not this one, we already did this one. Let's do sports. Maybe there's sports here. Let's try that guy right there. This one wasn't able, so let's look for another one. You know, this way you can please everyone in your family. You'll be able to watch it. You know, if you're watching like the Weather Network or some other network, usually then you don't need to really hear it. Let's try the sound though. So you get to pick which sound comes out by clicking it like so. Pretty good. So when I hear this more than this one, you can select it. There you go. pretty cool. Now overall, it's really good. It's pretty intuitive. You just click and it's super fast, super quick, like Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, and it's pretty limited because it doesn't have the App Store. Now if you want a Google App Store or Google Play Store, you might want to upgrade to the one I got, which is the Otto AI Box P3. You'll be able to have the exact same thing, but it has an HDMI slot, USB-C. You can have SIM card as well or micro SD slot. So you can do more things with this than this guy, but most of the time, most people, this is enough because you'll be able to pretty much make your car, if it's not wireless CarPlay already, you'll be able to have this little dongle and make your car wireless CarPlay. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the brand new Play2Video Pro. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!